Have you inherited a house that's in probate and you are not sure what to expect? I'm here to give you some insight on what probate is and what you can expect and why your home is in probate. I am Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach. I'm a mainline local for over 20 years, and this kind of situation can add stress, so let's alleviate that. What is probate? It is a legal process that is required to sell a property that is in a deceased person's name. When in probate, the court gets involved at various levels depending on the situation. A person is assigned to administer the estate, which may very well be you if you are watching this video, and that person is called the personal representative, or PR for short. And you can also expect there to be an estate attorney to help you with this legal process. And know that there are some substantial fees associated with completing a probate procedure. And one of the biggest reasons an estate goes into probate as far as real estate property goes is the way the title was held. The best thing to do to avoid going into probate occurs before the owner passes. By working with an estate attorney, you can avoid probate by putting your assets, including a real estate property, such as a home, into a trust. A common misconception about probate is that people think that a will keeps property out of probate, and that is not true. The will does not allow the deceased person to determine such things as who receives what, as well as who will be the executor of the will. And this is much better than trying to sell the property intestate or without a will. If there is not a will, the state determines the intestate succession. In other words, who receives the property that is left behind. If you find yourself involved with probate, there are many resources available to help direct you and smooth the way, and we are equipped to help answer many of your questions as well as become your resource to connect you with other vendors and services that you may need along the way. Continue to watch my other videos on my probate series for more detailed info and free downloads on probate, and also be sure to see the advice of a lawyer or an attorney, as I am not one, but just giving helpful information. Please reach out if you have any real estate questions. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.